last lecture we learned that how to install the Microsoft SQL Server and how to install the Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio that is used to interact with the SQL Server. Now let's move to learn that how to create a database. Before starting the practical about creation of database, let's have a quick review about what is database. Database is an organized collection of data that is stored and accessed electronically from a computer system. Now this you can see that this is the interface of Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio. Management Studio is a tool that is used to interact with SQL Server to perform different type of SQL queries and different type of functions. Connect to Microsoft SQL Server by using Windows authentication or SQL Server authentication. If you will use Windows authentication, SQL Server Management Studio will use the username and password of your PC to connect with SQL Server. To create the database, write the keyword create database and then place the name of database that you want to create. Employee management semicolon. Now it says that command completed successfully and this is the completion time. Now let's see that if our database has been created or not. To check this, click the plus button and here you can see that employee management database has been created.